Angibingelele ngiphinde futhi nginamukele la kuNqambothi Media TV 18. Ngani zakwethu ngicela ukuthi uyavelela ikhasi. Ngicela wenze okufanele ucuphe subscribe, ulike bese uphawula ngemuva kwanansi inkulumo ezolandela. Olaphana eSwazini ukhele wadiliya kubaba unyazi lwezulu emtshela ukuthi engaphinde ebuye eSwazini. Kuzokhumuleka wengane zakwethu ukuthi ubaba unyazi lwezulu ube laphana eSwatini ebizwe inkosi uMswati. Kanti-ke lona wesilisa useveze izindaba zokuthi uShembe engaphinde elibhade eSwatini ngoba uyaganga ngey'ngane zabantu. Kodwa-ke ngalokho kukhuluma kakhulu, ake uyibukele nansi ividiyo yakhe ngesikhathi lo wesilisa ekhuluma ekhwela edilika laphana kubaba unyazi lwezulu ekhuluma wonke amagama angekho mahle.
Hello. I'd like to talk to this ritual murderer, this foul ritual murderer, actually ritual murderers, Shembe from South Africa and King Mswati III. Okay, Shembe, listen. Let me explain something to you that you don't understand. The country of Swaziland belongs to the people of Swaziland. The country of Swaziland belongs to the people of Swaziland, not King Mswati. King Mswati is not a free, standalone entity. He belongs to the people of Swaziland, along with the Queen Mother. So you cannot say you have not come to Swaziland to see the people of Swaziland. You've come to Swaziland to see the King and the Queen Mother. When you come see the Queen Mother and the King, you are essentially coming to see the people of Swaziland. Ungasitsheli ukuthi awukeze uzokhuluma namaSwati, uzobona inkosi nendlovukazi, kusho wena Masimbenja. Don't say that. Because what you're doing, you agree with King Mswati that the country belongs to him. It's his farmland. Everything in Swaziland belongs to him and everything in it. Okay? So I want you to understand that point of clarification. You cannot say when you come to Swaziland, you're not coming to Swazis. You're coming to Swazis. When you come to the King of Swaziland and the Queen Mother, we know what you're coming there to do. We know your filthy business, that you're coming there to murder our children, to so-called Qinisinkosi, to strengthen the king. So all these children that disappeared while you were in Swaziland were killed by you on behalf of the King of Swaziland. Okay, that's why you're saying you're not coming to Swaziland to see the people of Swaziland, because you're coming there to murder them, to murder their children and cause chaos in this country. We don't want you to ever come back to our country. Young Vashembe, asifuni ukukubona ever again in our lives. We don't want you coming back to Swaziland. Okay? We're going to do something to you next time you come to Swaziland. Wena Shembe, uzoganga la eSwazini, uzoganga. You're killing innocent children and you're hiding behind this fake religion. I've done a whole research on your religion and I know what you're about. Wena Shembe. So don't come back here and say you're coming to visit the king as if the king is a free agent, is a free entity, standalone entity. He belongs to the people of Swaziland as well as indlovukazi. Inkosi Mswati, inkosi yamaswati. Ngiyakutsa kakwati lokho ngoba akakhuliswanga kahle. Akathi ukuthi kuba inkosi yini. Yini umsebenzi wakhe? Kuthi abe inkosi la eveni lamaswati. Asisamfuni. Sifuna phuma phela. Ngoba uyaganga la kaNgwane. Uyangivashembe, ungabuyi la kaNgwane. Masimbenja mthakathi. Mthakathi. Masimbenja ungabuyi la kaNgwane. Tobulala abantwana bemaswati. Uthi uqinisa le nkosi le. Uyaganga. Wena Shembe. Sis man. Damn it. This is why maswati ngantshela ukuthi buphelele ubukhosi kaNgwane. Funa siqoshe lenje. Sicalele phasi sakhe live. Manje aniva nina bogawuzela. Damn it man. Nabo qhawekazi.